Krishnan. I head the Innovation Science for India and Southeast Asian market for Amway. Our breakfast is the first and the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for our overall health and well-being. Often, our morning meal may lack essential nutrients and is typically loaded with simple carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. To ensure a healthy start to the day, it's crucial to choose foods rich in high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Specifically, complex carbohydrates are critical for the functioning of our gut. And as we all know, good health begins with a well-functioning gut supported by a healthy gut microbiota. Nutrilite's philosophy emphasizes that good health begins with the gut. A significant portion of our immune system and general health is rooted in gut health. The gut acts as a teacher, directing our immune system with 70% of body's immune cells being localized in the gut. Moreover, the gut is connected to our brain, influencing our mood and biological rhythms through the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter, approximately 90% of which is synthesized in the gut. So, next time you decide on your breakfast options, ask yourself, is this breakfast really meeting my health goals? Is it supporting our crucial organ responsible for our health, namely our gut? Are we nourishing the good bacteria in our gut? Consider making Nutrilite all-plant protein, Nutrilite pre and probiotics capsule, and Nutrilite fiber a part of your daily breakfast. Let me briefly tell you about these products. Nutrilite all-plant protein is a great way to help bridge protein gap in our daily diet. It is 100% plant-based protein and with no added sugar, preservatives or artificial sweeteners, and provides up to 8 gram protein per scoop of 10 gram with all essential amino acids. Protein is a critical foundational nutrient in maintaining our general health. Now, Nutrilite pre and probiotic capsule contains 2 billion CFU of Bacillus coagulans unique IS2, which acts as a probiotic and supports the healthy gut. It also contains 100 mg of fructooligosaccharides or FOS, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics, as we all know, acts as a food for good bacteria in our gut. Let's talk about Nutrilite fiber. Our Nutrilite fiber is a blend of 3 natural soluble fibers which supports the normal digestive function. It provides 3.7 grams of soluble dietary fiber per serving and helps support daily fiber requirement, along with a balanced regular meal. Kickstart your day right with Nutrilite products. And remember, a healthy gut means a healthy body. Thank you.